How's it going, James? Online Car Show. Got a really cool mod for y'all today. These are chrome hoodliner buttons. This is a mod I've taken from my experience with Corvettes and stuff. I'm not sure why this is a mod that's only offered for Corvettes. I would think it would be something that would sell with other cars, but seems to be the only car it's marketed toward. But without hesitation, let's get this video started. How's it going, everybody? For our shout out today, I wanted to look at a channel called Mr. Lee. He's got another, for you Camaro 1LE lovers out there, he's got another Camaro 1L or SS 1LE. Absolutely gorgeous car. He's doing some different mods with it and so forth. Great channel. He's a really good speaker. Great videos. I do recommend you go out, give him a shot, and see what he's got going on. I know we'd appreciate it. All right, let's get to the unboxing. I do apologize, it's only half an unboxing because I did take them out of the box that came in. They were very nicely packaged. Had some wrapping paper in there and so forth, packed in very tight. So no complaints on that. There is one thing they could add here. This is all I received, literally. I think I got this and like a packing slip. So there's no other marketing material, anything, you know, trying to link me back to going and checking out what else they have to sell. So that's one thing. The one thing they could improve on this would be to, you know, at least put in a business card, a piece of candy, you know, a brochure for other products. That's your one chance to interact with your customer. And where I think they did really good on the packaging, I think they failed on the marketing. So let's look at the actual packaging, or the package itself. It says made in the USA. Gotta love that logo. And we've got on the front here AmericanCarcraft.com, stainless steel accessories, handcrafted by Brian, with a little signature there. That's a pretty nice little touch, and I guess this is probably Brian in the picture, I'm not sure, but that is a pretty cool touch there. Proudly made in the USA. I like that. Let's look into the actual buttons themselves. It does appear that they are plastic chrome that has been glued onto a let's see if I can get this angle where y'all can see it at all. It's hard to see because it's so black. But there you go. You've got a plastic that appears to be glued to the plastic hood button. It is really shiny on the front. There are a couple little scratches I see. This could just be from banging around in the packaging with the others, but we'll throw a little bit of Adams polish on it, see if we can get them looking a little bit better before we put them on the car. There you have the unboxing. Very good packaging. I would say that they could improve on marketing materials in the packaging. And as far as the product itself, I'm going to give it middle of the road, but just because it is plastic. But there is one advantage of it being all plastic. This is very lightweight. You're not putting metal in your car that's going to weigh it down. It should weigh fairly close to what the stock one was. And I do like these little teeth. If y'all can see it, they have on the edge here. I'm getting into the carpet and keep it in the same spot. I don't remember seeing this on the Corvette or the Camaro hoodliner, so that must be something they added. All right, the only thing we should need for this is just something to pop off the old hoodliner buttons. So I've got this nice little interior tool here, and that should do the job for us. There we have it. Just wanted to compare the size of the old versus the new. I think we're going to be okay. That's it. Pop it off, pop it on, done. So I'm going to fast forward through this and let y'all see the end results. right, well there you have it. Man, it looks good. The buttons work just great. If y'all aren't familiar, I've got a 2018 Camaro SS 1LE that I'm putting these on. This will work on any car that has, you know, a similar button to this style. The Camaro ones were a little bit narrower, but as I found, there is plenty of gap between it and the hood, so there shouldn't be any issues with that. So I think this is a mod that could very easily go in any car. It's a handcrafted, made in the USA, looks really good. I think it gives it kind of a muscly look too. I'm also going to replace the trunk buttons that, if y'all are familiar, my clear smoke taillight video, we busted 2 of those pins. I'm also going to replace, because they sent me 15, I've still got, after doing the hood liner, let's see, I've still got 7 pins left. This is going to be more than enough to finish the trunk too, and I'll probably have some extras just in case any of them break or anything down the line. So there you have it. I'm going to put a link in the description of where you can get these. They were a little bit pricey. I think it's just because they are handcrafted. But I do recommend it. It's a mod that nobody knows about. You know, you'll probably be the first guy in your town to be putting these on your car. It's a mod that a lot of Corvette guys know about, but it doesn't seem to be anywhere else that I saw for any other cars. Now maybe I'm wrong and some of the JDM stuff has it, but there you have it, guys. Let me know what y'all think. I think it looks really cool. Gives it a nice look. I'm going to add a chrome Camaro emblem here with red, white, and blue that they sell aftermarket. So once I add that in there, I think it's really going to all come together with that. But yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Please hit that subscribe. And if y'all aren't familiar, me and Bubba Blue have a race coming up from a call out. Me and a 2012 Mustang. That will be up on the channel soon. We'll be looking at venues that are coming up and trying to get this scheduled. So be sure to stay tuned for that, definitely. And thanks for watching my channel. Y'all have a great week.